Okay, so I'm uploading a new YouTube short, and as you can see here, this is the thumbnail that is displayed. Scrolling down here, you used to have the option where you could select which thumbnail would be used, and it's currently saying for now you can't change the thumbnail on your short. So this is a huge problem, as this is what is displayed in the search results, and I can't imagine anybody clicking on this short with this thumbnail image. If anyone has a resolution to this issue, please go ahead and leave a comment below and I will do further research. Do subscribe to my channel in case I am able to resolve this issue. Let me know if I am the only one that has this problem where you cannot change the thumbnail now on YouTube Shorts. So for now, the solution is there is no solution. I believe YouTube is doing this with their artificial intelligence, picking the YouTube Short thumbnail to crack down on those creators making clickbait thumbnails. Comment below and let me know if you're having the same issue with YouTube Shorts. Go ahead and click subscribe, and while you're at it, click the notification bell to be notified when I post a new video, and perhaps I will come up with a resolution to this YouTube Short thumbnail issue.